Welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to get priority shifts in Instawork so you can secure more job opportunities and increase your earnings. To start, focus on achieving top pro status within Instawork. This program rewards workers who maintain high performance and reliability. As you progress through tiers like bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, you gain access to benefits including priority shift access, bonus pay, and special badges on your profile. Next, maintain strong performance metrics. This means working a required number of shifts each month, avoiding no-shows and cancellations, and keeping a high average rating from partners. These factors are evaluated monthly and determine your top pro level. Also, make sure your profile is complete and professional. Upload a clear photo, provide accurate information, and highlight relevant skills and work experience. A strong profile helps you stand out and increases your chances of being selected for priority shifts. Consistently accept and complete your shifts on time. Reliability is key in building a good reputation and being considered for priority work. Finally, communicate clearly and professionally with both partners and the Instawork support team. Good communication helps improve your ratings and overall standing. By following these steps, you can improve your chances of getting priority shifts on Instawork. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.